Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. Today video is very special because we are going to transform a simple empty corner into beautiful wooden craft decor spaces using DIY wall hanging. No expensive item, no fancy tools, just creativity, patience and handmade love. So if you have wooden craft, home decor and budget friendly ideas, make sure you watch till the end. So let's start it. Every homemade has a corner like the quite empty and ignored. The corner was right in front of my eyes every day, but I never paid attention to it. One day I thought, why not turn this silent corner into something warm and beautiful, something that tell a story, something handmade, something wooden. That's where the DIY journey begins. Material you need for this project: small wooden sticks, panels and planks, jute rope, Fevicol wooden glue, brown acrylic paint, paintbrush, small hooks, decorative items like mini plants and lights. You don't need exact item, use whatever wood you have at home. DIY is not about perfection, it's about expression. First, I started by sanding the wood. This step is very important because smooth wood gives a clean and premium look. While sanding, I imagine how this rough piece of wood will soon become a part of my home story. After sanding, I wipe off the dust and prepare the wood for painting. Now come my favorite part. I'm using a natural wooden brown shade to keep the look warm and earthy. Wooden decor always brings pieces and positivity into a space. I apply one coat and let it dry, then second coat for depth. You can also keep it raw wood if you have a natural look. There were no rules in DIY, only feelings. Once the paint is dry, I start assembling the wall hanging. I arrange the wooden pieces carefully, tie them together using jute rope and secure everything with glue. Slowly the wooden wall hanging start taking shapes. At this moment I realized something beautiful. When you create with your own hand, your mind becomes calm. This is not just a cure, this is therapy. Now it's time to add small detail, mini artificial plants, soft warm lights, teeny wooden elements. The little thing make a big difference. I don't want this corner to look crowded. I want to feel balanced and peaceful. Sometimes less is more. Now I place the wall hanging on the wall and decorate the corner, and wow, what transformation. The same empty corner now feel alive. You feel warm, creative and full of character. This corner does not need expensive furniture because it already had a soul, emotional connection. The DIY reminded me of one thing: we often wait for big budgets to make our home beautiful, but beauty does not come from money, it comes from effort and love. Even a small wooden craft can change the mood of your entire room. If you are feeling low, try creating something with your hands. It its heel. I hope you enjoy the video. If you liked, please must share the video with your friends and family and post your valuable comments, your suggestions, your thoughts.